What is up, everybody? It's Zach. I'm here. We're having a little bit of fun today. I'm driving around all over the place. I've been doing some estimates. I did a stop at Lowe's, did a stop at the grocery store, and now, fun part of the day, we're going to get the fenders rolled on the Jetta because I am tired of all this stuff rubbing all over the place, and it's created a nightmare. It sounds like a nightmare when it happens. Just tired of it. So today is the day. I'm excited. I'm gonna get off the phone here so I can actually concentrate on where the heck I am going because I have no idea. I just got into Half Moon. I'm close to where I need to be. So I will talk to you guys in a little bit. We'll see what's going on when we get there. Well, this tire sucks, right?
Oh yeah.
And so does tripping.
Yeah, it's rough. Rough go of it, bro.
I mean, look how much tire we got on that. We made our own specific tread, specific to the car. You have to do it.
That did that?
Yep.
It looks like it was. It looks like that's like a factory groove.
Yeah, all the way up to Lebanon Valley, we could smell smoke. All sorts of things, and there's also tire all over the side of the car. That's great,
Well, you could show them.
right?
Still fucking shit on it.
Yeah, we got stuff on the lip for sure. I mean, there was chunks like all over the side of the car. When I got there, I took a cloth and wiped it off. It's terrible. This is before and after shot. This is after. Needs a little paint, not a big deal. Shouldn't rub. At least this side we could get because this tire wanted to come off. Unlike the other asshole tire.
Yeah, it's just shitty fucking lugs, bro. They're like made of aluminum foil.
It's like wherever they are, whatever they call it.
Fucking, you got Corona fucking lugs, bro.
Corona lugs.
Yeah.
Look at these little pieces of can't even focus. Bad lighting. Look at that little piece of crap.
That's not good.
Now we got some better light. Cool. Now you can see it. This tire I think hit the worst on the right side.
Oh yeah, it had some considerable fucking tire because the paint's all burnt up.
This one's also got its own tread.
Yeah, that's
fantastic.
I thought that was just
Right?
the way that those fucking tires came.
And now we can see this one, how nice this looks too. Kind of got a little bit of an edge. Nothing major because we didn't need anything major.
Yeah.
And there's my new permanent modification because of how it likes to hit. Until I get a new strut, I guess. Or something like that. And as we said before, this tire sucks. We're writing it off. I'll get that off later somehow.
Just take somebody, they'll tap that bolt right off, or that lug nut right off, bud.
Right?
You're not the first person to come here and strip a lug nut. It happens. It happens. But
So your heat gun also hates you?
Yeah, the heat gun has actually died, so that's going well. I mean, you've already torched this fucking fender, so I don't really have to worry about the paint too much and the cracking. And it's already a rolled edge. That's how these cars come, so they're kind of easy just to pull out compared to some other vehicles. Yeah.
You were a good heat gun, apparently.
It was a good heat gun for you gotta drop the e-brake for me, bud.
Oh, sure.
Yeah, you gotta give us a little bit of a.
All right, we dropped the e-brake. Progress video.
Oh yeah.
And I can already see it trying to move out. That's cool.
Yeah.
A lot easier than the front. Oh yeah. I mean, that paint is burned.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's definitely torched, bud.
Hey Jim, buddy. And look at all that tire that's still coming off of it.
Oh yeah.
Nice chunk of tire right there.
Oh, yeah, it's all
Good
stuff.
chunk of that. Nankang. That's why I bought these tires in case this happened. El Cheapo. These are like $62 a piece on Amazon. Got the whole thing for $300 set, like shipped. Not bad. Oh. Nice. Now it could go lower.
Well, yeah, you can definitely go lower now, but sits in that's be proper.
Right.
If you actually lowered it down and sucked that tire in a little bit, it'd fit in there right. But you saw the
Right.
condition. If you wouldn't be able to lower the front that much. You'd have to do
I can get
serious.
Get some rear lowering spring or something for it.
Yeah, but your options for the front are limited at this point, man. You'd have to put some kind of fender flare on there or something.
Right.
Yeah, you can't lower that anymore because that'll fuck up the. Like even if this is rolled, bro, and you start hitting it.
Yeah. No, especially when I'm turning.
Yeah, you'd have
the turning's the worst part.
And there ain't no pulling that front fender that far and making it look halfway okay, man. It's gonna look crazy. So the rears on these cars, you can kind of pull it off.
Right.
Because it's got that tapered edge.
Yeah, that's insane. It could go down at least half an inch or more.
Oh yeah, you could definitely sand the car down here, man.
Right.
So.
I think it's the. Well, I think the only thing I have to do is really get some springs for it, to be honest.
Right.
Just
coilovers.
Yeah.
Coilovers, bro, and you could just lower it a little bit in the front. You could lower it a shit ton in the rear to level it out.
Right.
I mean, how much you can fit in there?
You can fit a whole hand. Moment of truth with this one. It's been a pretty good ride back from Half Moon so far, but I have a feeling that if I hit this bridge hard enough, my fronts are still gonna hit. Just because we couldn't get one off and stuff like that. Oh yeah, the fronts are not happy. Oh, front left especially, the one that didn't get done. So the backs are fine, the front right seems okay. Here's the setup. It works. I gotta take the wood off the bottom of this thing, but one step at a time. Got a little inline pump here to keep things going. We're on brakes, so we're unplugged. Over there we got the power washer someplace. More hose. Another ladder. And another ladder around the corner. What's up, everybody? It's a beautiful Friday. A nice enough Friday for me to want to be stuck at home, sort of. Slightly. Not really. But I'm almost tripping over everything here, so that's great. However, just waiting on my truck to get back and everything to get straightened out. It's got a little four-wheel drive thing going on, but no big deal. But today, we've got an interesting little project. Not really. Just kidding. The Passat is here. It could use an oil change. Got to look at something to do with an exhaust leak. And I've been driving it around. It seems pretty good after it's been put back together. So I can't say I'm not excited to drive it. I'm always excited to drive a 5-speed, so let's get to it. Here we are. This is going to be fun trying to do an oil change and hold the camera, but we've got 7 quarts of 5W40 here, Valvoline European, just because I like 40 weight in the Volkswagens. It's probably better for them, especially how I drive these things, but Lydia, you probably drive it a little bit more calmly than I do. So, alright, we're going to get under here and try to drain some oil, see what happens. This one is relatively simple to do. It's a 2.8 liter V6. And, oh, there's crap in the bucket. Oh well, it's not bad enough. Okay, let's see if we can get this guy loose. Get on there. Ah, okay, the answer is yes. All right, so it's maybe gonna be dirty. It's 10W40 something or other, Castrol. It's been in here for 10-ish months or so. It's time to leave. All right, come on. How long is this drain bolt? Oh my goodness. It's longer than usual. Okay. All right. That's gross. Oh, there's another pine needle. Hello. Cool. All right, now I'm all dirty. I wonder about the oil filter. Can we do that? We can do that at the same time as it drains. That's also cool. All right. Get this stuff off my hands. Position it. Oh, okay, I think I got it so I can actually get it off. Maybe. Oh, okay, there we go. Yeah, I know there's a wrench made in heaven for this, but oh well. Alright, now see if I can get this right. Are we gonna get it right? Yay, we're in the bucket. Nice. All right. So I just put a little fresh oil on that gasket so we don't get stuck next time. I think I probably put oil on the gasket last time. I do it every time, but boy, was she on there. All right. Boy, all right. Hand tight, they say. Okay, and that thing is still going, so I'm going to let it go for a little bit. I guess that's, oh, okay, no, okay. Well, we're not done yet. It's a little bit old, so, you know, these things happen. Whew, 6 years later, we're only down to a drip. So I think I'm gonna try to just stick this thing in there and cap off the flow. Get in there. Oh, I should check and make sure there's nothing disgusting on it. Nope. Okay, we good. I can see it better through the camera than I can in person. That's pretty funny. All right. Back in the hole we go. This is the longest drain bolt I've seen in a while. I don't think the Jetta's got one like that. All right, let's tighten it up. Okay, it's tight. All right. All right, guys, I've been working on this Jimmy O Explorer. I guess that's what we call it these days. So we're gonna give it a shot. I've already tried it on like 4 different quarts. We'll see how this one goes. I'll probably mess it up for sure, just because I'm trying to do it. Now I'm just gonna pretend like this thing isn't running. Oh no, I already spilled. Oh well, okay. I guess I did okay. Just a minor spill, nothing major. I'll probably smell it halfway down the road, but it's fine. Oh, okay. You know, just my life. Okay. Oh, quiet. Okay, so 6.5 quarts of oil later, we're gonna go for a little run with this thing. It's also got another little issue. It started to show its face. It's a little bit loud. Put these stupid cup holders in. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna go take her for a spin and make sure I got the oil level right. I'm thinking it was 6.5 quarts. That's what it said online. We're gonna go with that. But yeah, let's take her for a spin. A little loud. I mean, it's almost hilariously loud, if you ask me. All right. She's a little loud. All right. We're loud and we're on our way home from Lowe's. I hope you can tell where I am. Maybe you can't. We got what we need though. It's in the front seat. And yeah, I'm trying not to get pulled over because this thing's so freaking loud. And I know I'm lit up like a Christmas tree. And I'm sorry for the wind noise in here, but it's hot as balls on a Sunday and 110 degrees in the shade heat. So I'll see you guys when I get back. I don't even own a Dodge. Why am I doing this? Why are they here? Why are they in this vehicle? They don't belong here. I own VW and Ford. Ugh, this kills me. Jesus Christ. I'm stuffed in here.
I live in the motherfucker. Leave me alone.
What the? There's literally like a coolant jug trying to touch my ball.
There's an oil jug down there too.
What the fuck is that?
That's my lunch.
How old is that?
Today.
Oh, okay. All right. It's fine. I like your floor pan though.
Fuck yeah. It's legit.
It is. Organize this. I don't think I can even organize this. This was organized 2 months ago. Should I bring these things like up to the house?
Huh?
Should I bring these guys up to the house?
No, not enough.
Well, oh, okay. Well, you're the genius. I know this is my garage, but I'm also not motivated to clean this shit.
What?
I'm not motivated to clean this shit. There's a bed in here. There's a bed. It's everywhere.
We're gonna get some of this stuff out of here, like this.
No, Torpedo IPA. We need to keep that. That's good. You dick.
Good for what? What was it good for?
I don't know. That thing's a piece of shit. I don't know why I didn't get rid of it. This can go in the shit pile, which is, that's the shit pile.
Is this leak at all?
Probably. Things were a little damp in here, but
Huh?
things were a little damp in here this morning when I cleaned most of it out.
Well, obviously, you can move that around to get the rest of this shit out of here.
I can.
We can put some things in there for
Oh, I gotta move that.
I didn't even I just dropped it.
We can work in here. Look at that. There's so much stuff out of the way. Dan loves it.
Now I can come over here during the week with the kids, let them run around and fucking, do some shit. Alright, let's go
And
hook up these
then we've got to do something about. Oh, we have a hoop on there, but we don't have one on the one over there, so we'll have to fix it.
What?